Hello everyone, my dear viewers and subscribers of my channel. I have an ISY IGK 3500 keyboards for review. Made in China, it's on the market in Germany. The keyboards is made as simple as possible from inexpensive components. The assembly which surprised me is quite high quality. The keyboard has a 60% size, is backlight and has a braided cord, which is pretty good. On the market this keyboard costs $27. I can say that the keyboard is the best for the money because the case, rattle, play and according to reviews from other clients. These cases fail off after a shooting period of use arrive already broken. Not here or didn't find any spark plugs, red or blue. Most likely there are some kind of springs here, like a membrane. That can I say about purchase, whether to buy this keyboard or not. If you want to buy a keyboard to play or you are a beginner esports player, then I don't think you should buy it. Rather, it won't excite you at all. It's suitable for tapping or for beautiful lighting in the evening. Do you have a better choice in your store for the same price? Take a closer look at other models. I don't recommend these keyboards, but if you have no choice in the market, then take a closer look at the models. Perhaps it will be the best on the market. If the reviews has helpful, please like and subscribe.